Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can change the font size right here in our Microsoft Word document. Very important. Alright, so we wanted to change the font size. I can actually block this area here. You notice right up here, set font. I can come right here. I notice the size increase. I notice. And if I come to curve bodies right here, you notice. Can actually change the font size to a different section words. Come right here, I can actually increase it like this. So notice if I come right here, I can also increase the font size, can decrease the font size just the same. If I come right here, I can italic it just like that. If I come right here, I can actually bold it just the same. And if I come right here, you notice I can actually change the color just the same. I come right here, I can actually change it. And if I come right at this little section, notice I can actually highlight everything. This is exactly so. This is where we can actually change our font size just like that. Very important in a Microsoft Word document. Definitely change it by increasing it just like that. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.